Let us now look at, if we're given a sequence, how do we predict as to whether a particular number will be in the sequence or not in the sequence. So we have a sequence 1, 5, 9, 13. The obvious or the temptation here is that, well, there is 5 in the sequence, so it's likely that 95 ending in 5 could be possible that it's going to be in a sequence. But we need to be very careful here. We need to investigate that. So the first thing we need to do is to find out the formula. So our formula from the step that we've been using before will give us 4n minus 3. And remember, the n values are discrete numbers, like the first number, the second number, the fourth number, and so on. There's nothing like the 4.7th term or 4.8 term or 4.5 term. Has to be exactly discrete numbers, distinct. So if 195 is in the sequence, when we form an equation and work for n should give us an integer. It should give us a proper whole number. So to find out if 95 is in the sequence, equate the formula with 95. The reason is we want to work out the end position of the number 95. So we equate the formula with 95 and solve our equation. Add 3 to both sides. 4n equals 98. Divide 4 through both sides. We realize that n gives us a decimal, 24.5. And as I said before, n has to be a distinct, discrete number. So that means that 98 will not be in the 95 will not be in the sequence, because it's neither 24th term nor the 25th term. It's between 24th and 25th, and there's nothing like that. So we can confidently say that if we carry on adding 4, we will never get 95 in this particular sequence. Reason is n must be an integer, and this 24.5 is not an integer, not a whole number, so it is not in the sequence. Look at the second one. It's 73 in this sequence. Also, well, none of the sequence or the terms in the first 4 terms has a 3, so you can say it doesn't seem like. But hang on, let's investigate. Find the formula first. You should by now know the steps in finding the formula. Our formula is 3n minus 5. Let's find the end position of the number 73 by equating 73 with 3n minus 5. We now solve for n. Add 5 to both sides. Divide through by 3, sorry. We realize that n equals 26. It's exactly a whole number that we have been looking for. So that means that if we carry on this sequence, in the 26th place, we're going to see the number 73 there. So we say yes, because 73 is the 26th term. That brings us to the end of lesson 1 on linear sequence. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the notification button. Look forward to the second lesson, and I'll be talking to you about quadratic sequence. Second lesson, quadratic sequence. Thank you very much for watching.